Hey, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to the Duranify channel. In this video, we're gonna be doing this. I'm super excited. We're gonna be unboxing the Mavic Air 2 5 more combo. As usual, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you like the contents of this channel, hit that subscribe button, guys. All right, let's get into the unboxing. Here we go. Wow. Let's jump into it. There we are, guys. Cool. I got the Fly More combo. So excited. Here we are. Accessory kit. Take a look at what's in this little box first. Extra set of props. Two sets of props. The quick start guide. The Fly More combo. And the accessory guide. So those are the three things we're getting. So yeah, not bad, right? All right, let's see what's in the bag. So it's got the new style bag. It's got the zipper. That's asymmetrical zipper. Oh my goodness, there you go. And there's something in here, in the zipper here. Okay, the charger, the cables. And props. What is this? This little guy here. Don't know. Oh, my ND filters, check it out. ND filters right there. Oh yeah, so I got the whole combo, man. It's well worth it. All right, I'll put this back where it belongs. Double checking on this guy right here, real quick. Ah, the adapter, the charger adapter. See that? Right there. All right, so I am going to move this guy out of the way over here. My props. Adapter. Let's keep digging through here. I'm going to zip this back up so nothing falls out. And let you guys look inside. See that? Probably the charging station right here. See what it looks like. Oh, the controller. Oh, it's so nice. Look at that. Oh my gosh, it's nice. The controller. Probably extra set of batteries. charging brick. Charging brick. Battery. Battery. Nice batteries, by the way. Another battery. The charging station for the batteries. Nice. And the main event, the Mavic Air 2. Look at that, guys. There it is. The Mavic Air 2. So as you can see, there's the whole event right there. Very nice. And yeah, I can't wait to fly it. There it is, guys. There it is. What do you guys think? That's the total unboxing. Very nice. Very, very nice. There you go. Batteries charge up, looks like so. There it is.